nowhere else in this country you'd rather be today. Look at this weather, this location. It is the perfect Coliseum for an air show. You're going to see a great exhibition of incredible flying and amazing aircraft today, all shapes and sizes. So bring it on. We cannot wait to get it started. I know you're the same.
You're going to hear the thunder of engines that carried history. You're going to watch modern masters of flight carve impossible figures up there in the blue. And keep looking up. And welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2026 Pacific Airshow Gold Coast, because it starts right now. Back in here. This is the Strike Master. Martin Beretta, here he goes. High above the red berets. Is that not incredible, Gold Coast? Come on, let's hear it for Team Gravity. There you go. Isn't that awesome? Now, we're going to see the RAF, the most lethal fighter in the air over Australia. Where is he? There he is.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Max is starting to turn.
Did you see the afterburner coming out of their ink seat? There you go. Woo! Listen to that. The smoke out front, that's not an airplane. That is a man. A man in a wingsuit. The red and the black is Checo in the black airplane, Adrian in the red one.
They're going to deconflict as they come back to go head to head.
Oh, that's a lot of water. From the left, it is, well, not a bird, not a plane. It is an MB-22, the Osprey.
There it is. C-17.
I see you. You're ready to go?
I'm ready to go. You?
Fire it up for Emma McDonald. Via 109. There you go. The first in Australia, Bryce Needville.
That is incredible.
Isn't that nuts? I mean, come on, Gold Coast. Airplanes aren't supposed to hover. He's going to bring it by as they dance in the sky here. There they are. Look at that. Oh, three ships spectacular. Matt Hall. Is that not incredible, Gold Coast? Come on.
I reckon that deserves a round of applause and a cheer, ladies and gentlemen.
You bought a ticket. Thank you so much for coming out, because it's your support that keeps us coming back.
Oh, that love and feeling. You've lost that love and feeling. Now it's gone, gone.